Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video we will be doing the unboxing and the overview for the Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So without any further ado guys, let us jump right into it. So guys, this is the front of the box, and as you can see I have 32GB variant. So this is the highest variant you can get with 2GB of RAM. So this is the front of the box, and at the back you can see some specifications. So let me just quickly cut this seal from here and here as well. So as you can see that it is made in India. So let me just lift the top cover, and first thing that you will find is, I guess it's SIM injector tool, you can see, plus you have some paperwork. So here is your paperwork. So guys, moving ahead, you will be seeing your smartphone itself. So I'll be just keeping it aside for a bit, and we'll see what else is inside of the box. So there's no silicone case for this smartphone as we find in other Xiaomi's phones. So you have the micro USB for charging and syncing, plus you have this charger which is rated at 1 ampere, as you can see right here. So this is all what you get inside of this box of this smartphone. So let me just quickly take out the smartphone out of this plastic bag. So this is front sticker which shows its specifications, and at the back you can see. So let me just quickly take off this. So let me just peel off the sticker from the front and the back as well. Make sure to keep it somewhere safe in the box, never lose it. So guys, this is our Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So guys, on the top, so first of all let me just quickly boot this thing up. So guys, as you can see, on the bottom you can see the Redmi branding, and on the top you have your front 5-megapixel sensor. Let me just keep it in focus. You have this 5-megapixel sensor with earpiece, and on the top you can find your 3.5mm headphone jack plus secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the bottom you can see your micro USB port for charging and syncing and your speaker, and on the other side you can see sleep wake power button plus volume rockers, and on the other side you can see the same tray. So great thing about this smartphone is that it is having dedicated micro SD card support, which is amazing. On the back you can see the 12-megapixel Sony IMX sensor, and on the bottom left corner you can see the Redmi designed by Xiaomi. So the back is having a soft finish on it which feels good. It also kind of give you kind of a grip. So as you can see, it is loading up. So guys, this is pretty much it for the unboxing experience. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll be catching you in the very next one guys. Till then, take care.